This is a user profile from Avid Media Composer. It saves your keyboard shortcuts and workspace settings. It does not contain any video. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load the settings. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one AVE file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. The AVE extension is an official subset of the larger video file collection. The preservation method chosen is the Avid User Profile standard. The AVE file extension signifies an Avid User Profile setting file. It stores user-specific preferences, workspace layouts, and keyboard shortcuts for Avid Media Composer. These files allow video editors to carry their personalized editing environment from one workstation to another, ensuring a consistent workflow regardless of the machine being used. It is a configuration file, not a video file. The AVE format is a proprietary configuration file developed by Avid Technology specifically for the Media Composer ecosystem. It encapsulates the user's interface state and command mappings into a portable structure. The file is designed to be read exclusively during the Avid application launch sequence or via the user selection menu, overriding default system settings with the user's specific preferences. This proprietary format is best opened by Avid Media Composer from Avid Technology for the AVE type. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows may show the video quickly, but refining it requires dedicated applications. First, use Avid Media Composer. Open the file using Avid Media Composer, as this is the required application for the shared media volume data. Next, check network permissions. Ensure the user has full read-write access to the Avid Unity shared network volume where the file is stored. Finally, check media database. If the file is corrupt, delete the media database files, e.g. msm.mdb, pmr, pms, in the associated folders and allow Avid to rebuild them. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Thanks for trusting me with your file issue.